With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
In this question, it has been stated that there is a female who has produced only daughters. Now, we have to analyze the situation from a genetic point of view and provide an explanation for this. So, here we have to talk about the mechanism for sex determination in case of humans. Now, we all know that in human beings, sex of the individual depends on their chromosomes. Like all other characteristics, the gender is also dependent upon the genetic makeup of individual. So, it is a chromosomal basis for sex determination, and we call this XY type. Now, what does XY type mean? That in a human male, there are going to be two sex chromosomes, one X and one Y. Whereas, in the female, we are going to see that she has both X chromosomes. So, this is the difference genetically between a male and a female individual. And what this means is that over here in human beings, the male is heterogametic. Why? Because when gametes are formed, only one of these sex chromosomes is going to go into the gamete. The body cells, the somatic cells of the individual, they are diploid. But during gametogenesis, during the production of gametes, what happens is they undergo meiosis, that is reductional division. And the gametes which are produced after this meiosis, they are haploid. That is, they have only one set of chromosomes. And these gametes, we all know, are very important units for sexual reproduction, because only when these two haploid gametes are going to fuse with one another, the egg and the sperm, then we can form the diploid zygote, which is going to produce the new individual. So what's going to happen in case of formation of sperms in male? Half of the sperms are going to receive X chromosome, and the rest 50% are going to receive Y chromosome. But when we talk about formation of eggs in female, when gametes are produced in female, female has both X chromosomes, so only one kind of eggs can be produced. All of the eggs are going to have only X chromosome. So now what happens is, during sexual reproduction, we all know that the eggs are going to be inside the female's body itself. Eggs remain in the female reproductive tract, whereas the sperms during copulation, they are ejaculated into the female's reproductive tract, through which they have to swim vigorously and reach the egg. Now, all of the eggs are going to have X chromosome only, but the sex of the baby is going to depend on whether a sperm having X chromosome or sperm having Y chromosome has fertilized with the egg. So, suppose here we have the egg, and a sperm with Y chromosome comes and fuses with this egg. So now we are going to have one X and one Y chromosome in the zygote, and this baby is going to be a male. Whereas, if with the same egg, a sperm with X chromosome comes and fuses, now we are going to have two X chromosomes in the zygote, and baby is going to be female. So basically what we can see is that in human beings, because of XY type of sex determination, the females are not heterogametic. All of the eggs produced by the female are the same. They're going to have only X chromosome. But two different kind of sperms are produced by the male, because males are heterogametic. They have X and Y, both type of chromosome. And so, the sex of the baby is going to depend upon which kind of sperm is fertilizing this egg and not on the female. Now, even males can't control the sex of the baby, because the sperms that are ejaculated are not under their control. There are going to be all kind of sperms in there. And it is not up to the person which sperm is going to fertilize the egg inside the reproductive tract. So, if a woman has only daughters, it only means that whenever she has produced children, on all the occasions, her egg has been fertilized only by the sperm having X chromosome, and that is why she has produced only female children. And this does not mean that in future also, if she has more children, she is going to produce girls only. Why? Because during every copulation, there is a 50-50 chance of producing a son or a daughter, because half of the sperms, as we have said, They have Y chromosome. Half of them, 50% of them have X chromosome. And so, if by chance a couple has only daughters, it only means that so far only the sperm having X chromosome has fused with the eggs. But in the future, the 50-50 chance of having daughter or son is going to remain.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.